Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I print out my new t-shirt design. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notifications button so you will be updated on my upcoming video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions and suggestions, leave a comment down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Gracie's Life TV. And thank you so much guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog.